Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't find purchase apps on App Store. If you can find your purchase apps on the App Store, here's how to fix it. So first, open the App Store and tap your profile in the top right. Now tap purchase, then go to purchase history. Now check if the app is here. If it is not, it might be hidden. So close App Store and go to your iPhone settings. Tap your name at the top. Scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. Tap on View Account. Scroll down and tap Hidden Purchases. So you should see Hidden Purchases in here. If you see your app, then tap and Hide. Then once done, go back to App Store. Go to Purchase History and check again. If it's still missing, check your account. So make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID you used before. Even one different email means your purchases won't show. Next, go back to View Account and tap on Purchase History. If the app is not there, it was downloaded using another Apple ID. Also, check your country or region. So go back and tap on Country and Region. So if it changed, some apps may not appear anymore. Finally, if nothing works, sign out and refresh. So to do that, go to Settings, tap on your name, go to Media and Purchases, and just tap on Sign Out. Then restart your phone, then sign back in. And that's it. If your app still doesn't show, it's usually because and that's it. If your app still doesn't show, it's usually because they were downloaded on a different account or the app was removed from the App Store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.